Sir! Sir! Oo, ikaw. May tanong ako sa'yo. Kailan ka huling nagpa-check ng prostate mo? Kung ang sagot mo ay hindi pa, hindi ka nag-iisa. Pero ito ang dapat mong malaman. May cancer sa lalaki na tahimik lang, walang sintomas, hanggang huli na.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.
Hi everyone, I'm Doc Fred Ting, your medical oncologist, and welcome to Everything About Cancer, kung saan tinatanggal natin ang takot sa pamamagitan ng tamang kaalaman. Let me explain this simply. Ang prostate cancer, madalas walang sintomas sa umpisa. Walang sakit, walang warning signs, kaya maraming lalaki late na na-detect. Pero may simple test, PSA test o prostate-specific antigen test. Isang simpleng blood test na pwedeng magbigay ng early warning. Kapag mataas ang PSA, pwedeng may problema sa prostate at kailangan ng further evaluation. Hindi ito automatic na cancer, pero signal ito na kailangan nating tingnan. So sino dapat ang magpa-PSA test? Men age 50 years old and above? Mas maaga kung may family history or kung may risk factors. Pero importante, hindi ito one size fits all. Kailangan pag-usapan ito with your doctor. Kaya shared decision making. Maraming lalaki ang umiiwas sa screening. Nakakahiya, baka may makita. But let's be real. Mas dapat tayong matakot sa late detection. Ang PSA test, simpleng blood test lang. Walang sakit, walang komplikasyon. In my clinic, marami akong pasyente na nagsabi, Doc, sana mas maaga akong nagpa-check. Pero may iba rin na na-detect ng maaga at nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na maagapan ang sakit. And that makes a big difference. So here's the important message. Real strength is taking care of your health. Hindi kahinaan ang magpatingin, ito ay ating responsibilidad. So take that step today and always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Thank you for watching Everything About Cancer with me, Doc Fred Ting. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel so we can spread accurate and reliable information about cancer to more people. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Again, I'm Doc Fred Ting, and see you in the next episode of Everything About Cancer.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.